Hi, Dave Johnston here at Day Trade the Markets. Just making another trade here. Just got out of the other one on the previous video. We had gotten short here. It came down within a couple of ticks and then stopped us out here. So I've actually turned around. Once it got above here, went ahead and put a limit order in. Just got filled here at 59.94 and a half. So we're now long, and it's 10:36. So and that, of course, we're Tuesday, September 19th, 2017. I'm on Pacific time. So as a 2-minute chart, of course, the Nasdaq September contract. So I'm going to go ahead and put a sell limit in, being long from 94 and a half. This area, this next area of resistance is likely to be up in here, just below 6,000. So we're long from 94 and a half. I'm going to put a sell limit to at 99 and a half. We'll see how that works for the next little bit. And I'm also going to put in a protective sell stop down here just below the bar that stopped us out. Now, the low on that particular bar, let me get the data box here, bring that in. The low on that particular bar that broke through and stopped us out on the previous trade, the low on that is at 90.75. So I'm going to put it at 89.75 right there, and that's our sell stop. So I got roughly a 5-point risk on this trade. So that's really it for now, and I'll put the recording on pause and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, resuming the recording. Okay, it's taken a while. Got filled back here around, I think it was, let me just take another look at that. Filled back here when it broke higher around 10:30 or so. At my time about 11:45, so it took about an hour and 15 minutes for us to get filled here on our first objective, which was 5 points. 99.50 we're long from 94.50. So you can see here that the market did have, I'll use this arrow here, have a bit of a dip here, and if we take a look and see what that low is, bring over the data box again. The low of that bar right there is at 95.75. So if I bring the stop up to 94.75, that's just a tick above where we're entered. And of course, another thing I need to do is, of course, move this, or I should say adjust, move the stop. Now I need to adjust the quantity down to 2 because obviously we're just, we've sold 2. I'll just move it out of the way so you can see that. You can see the green background with the number 2 right there. So that's the number of contracts that we have left. So bring that stop right back up to 94.75. That's our protective sell stop at this point. I'm going to go ahead and put in another sell limit, this time just for one contract. I'm going to put it in just below the high of the day. So up in this area here, I'll put it at 275. We'll sell limit at 275. Our high of the day over here is around, I think it's about 475, yeah, almost 5. So anyway, just wanted to bring you up to date on that. It has taken a while to reach that first objective. You can see it did come back here, got to 93 and a quarter. We're long from 94.50, so it only moved about a point against us. So you know, even though it was sideways, it was still looking good, so decided to stay in it. We kept our stop there. Oh, and I need to, whoops, I need to adjust this stop as well and put this over here so we know where that is. And the other thing I want to do is also put a marker in up here, which is where our next objective is at there at 275. So just bringing you up to date on all that. So once again, I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, just resuming the recording. Never did get up to our next objective, but did come back down and stop us at break even. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, and just wanted to let you know that. So the trade took about an hour and what was it? Almost an hour and a half, and we just got 5 points on 2 contracts. So total was 10 points on that. If you have any questions or comments on our trading and our trade room, just reach out and contact us. Email is info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.